Welcome! In front of me I have LENOVO Tab to A10-30 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout settings on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, tap this icon right here. Then select the display option. And here we have option called sleep. Tap on it. And we can select between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. I'm gonna select 30 seconds, for example, like this, by tapping on it. And now my screen will turn off automatically after 30 seconds of an activity. And that's how you change the screen timeout settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.